Good morning, guys. Today is another day. We're gonna move. So for today vlog, we're going to Lombok from Gili Air. So yeah, we're on the way to port. Cost going to Lombok is only 20,000 IDR, but they must fill the boat like 25 people. So yeah, on the way to Lombok. Pink Coco, it was a very nice resort. Yeah, the beach, very sandy. This for sleepers. The breakfast also was included to the room price. It was really delicious, the breakfast, very awesome. A lot of nice resort here, guys. You can see restaurant. This one, nice place to chill. Amazing.
Yes. Hello, welcome guys. Welcome.
Thank you.
Hello.
No, we're fine. Thank you.
Boss, taxi boss.
So guys, we're just arrived here at Bangsal Port. It takes us 10 minutes from Gili Air to Bangsal Port.
No commission here, boss. No commission. See? Yeah. When you want to go back to Amet? Because what time is the boat leave? You boat leave to Amet 2 times a day, 2 times a week.
2 times a week?
Yeah. Wednesday and Saturday today.
Wednesday and Saturday.
Yeah. You back
What
in,
time?
from here like 11 o'clock from here.
11 o'clock?
Yeah. We organized the boat to Bali to Amet. Only one boat going.
How much per person?
How many? 2%.
Yeah.
Yeah, just give me like 500 sir, for 1% directly to Ahmed from here. And this is no commission. We directly.
Yeah.
And easy for you. I can make it
Okay,
ticket.
just write your number
Yeah.
so we can contact you.
Yeah.
So we may stay here longer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know
Just
So
yet.
if we want to extend, still
Just
60.
contact in my ticket.
So if we want like extend for 5 days, is the same price?
Yeah, give me 60 for 1 day.
60? Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, then you're gonna say 60 if you're gonna So guys, that's our motorcycle rented here for 60 a day. So guys, it's just like 100 meters away by walking from the port. You can see this shop, a lot of motorcycle you can rent. We rent our motorcycle, this one, for 60,000 per day.
Danker.
Oh, okay.
We just made it here at Sheraton. It's about 35 to 40 minutes drive at the scooter, and I will show you guys a quick room tour or room for tonight. So without further ado, let's get started. So here, when you come at the door, main door, here you can see the door. This is another toilet, the sink, mirror, and here guys, table. It's like working area, and here the living area. You can see they have big couch over there and another couch and big table, nice light and big TV as well. Yeah, this is pretty big. Wow. And here you can see another table. It's very nice, and this is the family table. You can see that, like dining area. We have the lights, and here the big mirror as well. It's very nice. It's me. Wow. And here we go this way, and here you have the kettle, the coffee, the tea. Here you're amazed that they have a what you call it, glasses, plates, wine glasses, and you have sink. It's like a kitchen. Here they have a refrigerator, but no induction. You can't cook. Yeah. Then here, when you go inside, this is the room. It's kindly king size bed, and they made this kind of little very cute. It's like a mannequin. And here they have TV. They have couch, you can chill, and here they have table again. Yeah, it's pretty big, guys. Amazing. And here the master bathroom. They have tub. They have full size mirror, which is I like it. And here they have mirror again, and they have sink. And this is the toilet, guys. And here's the shower. Very small, but you don't need a big shower. Very nice. Yeah, I think we just stay here for tonight, or maybe 2 nights, who knows. But yeah, for now, this is our room for tonight. kind of big. Wow. And I'll show you guys the best of this room. The view is kind of the balcony view. The balcony view here. Wow. This is the ocean view, guys. There. Very nice. Amazing. Ocean and garden view.